Mum's promise of beautiful skin wasn't why I used to eat her snow fungus dessert soup as a child. It was the taste that kept me coming back for more. But today I'll be showing you a dessert soup that carried Mum's words and followed me all the way into adulthood.
Mama ye sik fan, Mami daddy sik fan. Ba mẹ ơn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Wokinkin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe is for everyone who misses their mum telling them to eat tong so because it's good for your skin. To start, you'll need dried snow fungus. In Cantonese, we call this su yu, and you can find it in Chinese medicinal shops. If you want a softer texture for your dessert soup, look for the yellow type. To prepare them, rinse and soak them in hot water for 10 minutes. You can also add dried lotus seeds, or you can add pearl barley, which will both also need to be soaked in hot water for 10 minutes. Dried red dates are also great for adding sweetness to the dessert soup. You can get small or big ones, but if you buy the bigger variety, just halve them and remove the seed if you like. Mum always adds dried goji berries as well, which will only need a quick rinse. For added texture, there's dried longan. Again, a quick rinse will do. When it comes to Cantonese tong so, we like to use a light sweetener, so rock sugar is our favourite. You can find the list of all of these ingredients at wokinkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Now fill up a pot with 3 litres of water on high heat and let it come to a boil. Meanwhile, pour out the soaking water, then cut the snow fungus into small parts. If the middle is too hard, you can discard it. When the water has come to a boil, pour in the lotus seeds and pearl barley first and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Add the snow fungus in to cook for 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes, pour in the dried red dates and longan, stir them through and simmer for another 5 minutes. Then it's time to add 200 grams of rock sugar. Let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes with the lid partially on. And in those 10 minutes, I'll remember how Mum taught me about how soothing and nutritious the tong so is for my skin, a legacy that I'll strive to pass on to future generations. It's now time to add the goji berries in. Let them simmer for 5 minutes and stir it through. And there you have it, Mum's snow fungus dessert soup, a comforting and humble dessert for any day of the week. If you want to enjoy this sweet treat with your family, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Simmer it for longer. The longer it slow cooks, the more time the dessert has to soften and thicken. Number 2. Add the goji berries in last. Goji berries can become sour when left to cook for too long. Number 3. Use smaller rock sugar pieces. This helps you control the sweetness to your taste. Whenever I crave a light dessert, this is what I crave. And as a child, I used to crave it for its gentle sweetness. But now as an adult, each mouthful leaves me satisfied, knowing that Mum's words ring true. My skin will be nourished from the inside out. To remember more dishes that remind you of your family, like and subscribe to our channel. Now if you want to enjoy dishes that would pair well with this tong so, I've created a playlist of comforting dishes for you. See you in the next video.